To create a breeding record for a group of cattle in iLivestock, first select Groups along the bottom tab of your screen. Next, select Cattle, then tap into your breeding group using the arrow on the right-hand side of their card. Here you will see the individual animals within this group. Tap the Cow Head Action button on the bottom right of your screen, select Actions, then tap Breeding. Select New Breeding Records. Next, add the breeding type and hit Save. A banner will appear to say that the breeding records have been added. Tap the Cow Head Action button again, Actions, and then Breeding. Select Update Sire. This is where you add the sire to the breeding group. Hit Save. A banner will appear to say that your breeding records have been updated. To add the male in date, hit that Cow Head Action button, Actions, and Breeding. Select Update Male In. Hit the toggle on the right of Male In and select the date that the bull was added to the cattle or the date that the cattle were bred. Hit Save at the bottom of the screen. To update the Male Out date, hit the Cow Head Action button on the bottom right of your screen. Select Actions and Breeding and hit Update Male Out. Hit the toggle on Male Out and select the date that the bull was removed from the breeding group. Then hit Save. Once the cattle have been pregnancy scanned, you can add their scanning results to the group. To do this, hit the Cow Head Action button at the bottom right of your screen, select Actions and Breeding. Tap Update Scan Result. Select the number of their scan result, or if they all had a different result, you can add their result individually to each animal. Then hit Save. Now you will see that the animal's icon is now pink with a heart to indicate that they are pregnant. To add individual birthing details, tap into the individual animal profile of one of the cattle that has calved. Select the arrow on the right of the pink banner under Breeding to pull up this animal's individual breeding record. Select Edit at the bottom of the screen and add the birthing date. Select Birthing Details below to add details about the birth. Here you can record any problems that may have occurred during the birthing process. Now to add the offspring details, if any died, and add the offspring to the breeding record. Select Create New if the offspring isn't already recorded in the app. Fill out the Add Cattle form as required with all the animal details that you need. Then hit Record and the calf's parentage will automatically be linked to the calf through the breeding record. Then scroll down and hit Save. Select Back at the top of your screen and you will be taken back to the animal's individual profile card, where you will see that the animal icon is now back to the pink female cow icon.